Hello and welcome to Georgia Sight's online beginner shuttle tatting class. Today we're learning about split rings. Now split rings can be done in three various forms, okay? There is no set way to do split rings, alright? As long as it's a split ring, alright? There's no tatting police. I will warn you, there's no tatting police. So it's what's comfortable for you. The first method is the most common method that tatters used, and it's called the dead spider method. Okay, the second method is one that was created by Cynthia Stevenson of the online beginner shuttle class. She's the teacher, and she created it, and it's called the high five method. Okay, which helps people that have arthritis. All right, then there's another method that is less commonly used, and it's where you flip your thread. Okay, now I'm going to show you all three techniques on three separate videos. Okay, if I put them all on one video, the video tends to get lengthy and long. Okay, so we're just going to do one method per video, and each method will be labeled accordingly. Okay, now let's get started here. First thing you can see, I've started a chain of split rings here. What I'm using is Aunt Lydia's crochet cotton size 10 in the lavender and purple color. Alright, as you can tell, purple is my favorite color, has been for years. Okay, so let's get on with it, and let me get you the direction that you need to go. First of all, you're going to need two shuttles. Okay, you're going to have shuttle 1 and shuttle 2. All right, now if you have two shuttles that are identical, okay, get you a piece of scotch tape, put it on top of your shuttle, mark it with a pen or a marker, something that won't rub off on your fingers. 1 and 2. I tend to use two different shuttles. Now when I have a bunch of shuttles that are the same color, I bling them out. Okay, I do something to them so that I can distinguish 1 and 2. Okay, so it's a little trick that tatters do, and it also personalizes your shuttles for you. Alright, so let's get on with it. First thing we're going to do is wrap our hand to make a ring. Okay, see, we've got our loom set up, threads in place, everything's ready to go. Now what we're going to do is 8 double stitches normally. Okay, so let's get that 8 double stitches put in, and then we'll move on to the second half of this split ring. Okay, I know I'm tatting a little fast. 5, 6, 7, and 8. But you should know how to make your double stitches by now. Okay, if you're getting into split rings, you should know your double stitches. Alright, now what you want to do is take this shuttle 1, okay, pull off enough thread to open this ring up. Alright, open this loom up that you've got set up here, because you're going to be working on this side of this loom. Remember, we're doing the dead spider method. Now what you're going to do with shuttle 1 is lay it across the back of your hand. Get it out of your way. That's where shuttle 2 comes in. You see this tatting I have on my finger? We want to slide it up just a little. And if you see that your loom is just a little big, grab shuttle 1 and tighten that loom up, because you want to keep that tension right here. Alright? Now, shuttle 1's out of our way. We have shuttle 2. Now we're going to work with that, and we're going to do what they commonly call rods. And that means reverse order of double stitches. That means the second half of the double stitch is first, and the first half of the double stitch is second. Okay, so that's where we're going to start. We're going to do the second half, which is over, under, then the first half, under, over. Okay, and we're going to do 8 of those. Alright, so watch what I'm doing. I'm moving just a little slower on this side so you can see. I'm not flipping my stitches. I'm not doing nothing. I am doing what they call wrapping my stitches. This is wrapping, when you put your stitches on without flipping. Okay? And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you need more thread, hold your stitches, pull off more thread. That's 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now, one of the drawbacks of doing this, people with arthritis, right in here, back in the wrist, okay, that's where it's going to hurt. Okay, so the next method, the high 5 method, is going to help arthro sufferers, because we're not all gimped up over here. Okay, so let's get back to it. Now, to close that split ring, we grab shuttle 1 and we close our ring. That's all we do, just close it. Okay, and you will see, once it's closed, you have your first split ring. You have the dark purple on one side, the light purple on the other. That's where you can see you did your split ring right. Okay, so there you go. You have a split ring chain started. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Cynthia or I will get back to you pronto on this. Okay, so in the next video, you're going to learn how to do the high 5 method, the one that Cynthia created. So until next time, happy tatting, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.